In this video, you'll learn how to create and use a template. So once we've got a beacon and we connect a cord up to it,
Your alarm is charging.
it will announce that it's charging. We'll notice here that the green bar is gradually moving to the right. Once that gets to the end, we'll see a series of other tabs that it will reveal to us. So on this basic page, what we do is we click the 3D Shake Wake Up. To remove the tick, we click Set, move on to tracking. The only thing we need to do on this page is to click the time zone, drop down and make it 8 hours for West Australia. It's 8 hours Greenwich Mean Time. Now we need to drop this down just a little bit to reveal the Set button so that it will lock that in place. Skip geofence, move to event. If you wish the first 3 letters of any text message to go out will be SOS. I usually like it to read, I need help. So we change it to read like that. And then the next one, as you scroll down, is change this auto answer incoming. Tick there. Oops, let's move back up to tick auto answer incoming and do that for each of the 5 moving across in case you have 5 contacts. The next one is, I usually like fall to read fall alert. It's more intuitive when someone gets the message that that's what's happening. Now when you scroll over this box, you'll see that its alarm is enabled. Change the alarm sensitivity to 2. There are 3 settings, 2's mid-range. Don't worry about the duration because what happens is the alarm announces 3 times that a fall has been detected before it actually goes off. Also forget about judgment, so we can set the settings on this page, leave the rest alone, and move to Other. On this page, scroll down till you see Volume Settings. Knock the speaker volume up to 5 and knock this one up to 7. Set that, and then call settings for unauthorized phone calls. Right now, only the emergency contacts can call, but because you want to test it before sending it, make it so that anyone can call, allowing you to be able to test it. You can always change it back later, but set that so that anyone can call. And that's it. You've now finished this, but to basically make this a template, what we do is we save settings to file. Notice the last 4 digits are 1120. We're going to save this. Now, to prove that these settings are all saved in here, we're going to basically bring this back to factory settings. So it's going to delete everything that we've just done and take it back to the beginning. And once the green bar finishes, it'll ask us if we want to, or it'll tell us that restore settings are done. Now let's go to where it says load settings. And we see here that there's the 1120. When we open this, we'll notice that, oops, we got to click on that, then click open. Now all the settings that I showed you at the beginning are now programmed in. Notice the 3D Shake Wake Up is unticked. When we go to tracking, we see the time zone set to 8. The event shows us I need help, and it shows here that auto incoming call answers. So when someone calls, it's automatically answers. That's all set to go. All the settings we have done here are all in there. So basically, whenever you want to program a new lingo, you just stick it on the charger, click Load Settings from File, click whatever your what you want to program here. For example, in this case, it's 1120. It'll be a different number on yours, but you just click that, click Open, and it will basically save all the settings. Now, once you've done that, and you've got a device that's ready to basically program with all of your pre-settings in place, we simply need to go up here and put the phone numbers that we want. Let's say we want to have that phone number, and then we want this phone number, and just those 2. They're both going to get a text and call, so we go like that. Say contact number 1 is going to get a low battery alert. So this is basically all the settings we need to do. What we do is we set those, and now this device is ready to go, assuming the person is happy for anyone to be able to call the device. If they want that changed and have only the 2 emergency contacts call, we need to go here to change the mode to reject call. It rejects a call from everybody else. We would set that and now only those two callers can call. If we didn't change that, then anyone's able to call it. That's pretty much it.